I guess the most common question that's asked is, why did I build it? Why did I do it? And there is no easy answer to that. It's a jumble of answers, really. It's been able for me to give something back to motorsport that has given me quite a bit of pleasure, personal pleasure, but also corporate recognition. For me, the best part of it is the museum. I think the Kiwis have done an amazing job globally with motorsport, and this is a tribute to those guys that have provided that. It's a place for New Zealand historical motorsport achievements can be all put in one place and looked at, and tourists can come and read all about what happened, and not just who won what race, but all the funny bits that have happened around the places, the weird and wacky things that have happened, which I think are just as important as the actual result. Because a lap record will always change, but the fact that somebody took an opposition's wife into the meadow and had his way with her, and then went out and won the race, that's a special piece of knowledge that everybody needs to know about. But anyway, onto the track construction. The track is built on one of the most unique bits of land and substrate that you could ever wish for. It's free draining, it's got nice gravel, it binds up when you compact it, and whilst it's been a big effort, it was relatively easy because the raw material that we had in the soil itself was so complementary to building a track. Once we had the general shape and the contours and stuff, we then cement stabilised the track, which meant putting 5% concrete cement into the substrate, compacting, watering, compacting, testing, and finally we got a foundation that was suitable to tar seal. The asphalt is done in 2 stages. First of all, they do the normal asphalt, 35mm thick, and then they do a top coat of 35mm thick polymer, which was imported from America. It's the first track in New Zealand to have that topping put on it. It's supposed to last for 25 years. Time will tell. If we get through this winter, I think it'll be here for 50 years. I don't think it's going to go away anywhere fast. There is no swampy land or clay or anything. It's very, very good, solid ground. So that's what we have in the track. It's 4.5 kilometres, 12 metres wide. The track layout is quite unique in that it's got 3 separate tracks that can all be joined together. Track B, which is a testing track, has a skid pan and 2 constant radius corners in it. It's quite a special track, specifically designed for testing vehicles. Track A, which is the one in front of the museum, is the training track, which is quite an easy track to drive round and it's safe. And track C is quite exciting. It has the whoop-whoops, the hairpin, the carousel. So, each track is specifically designed for a specific purpose, but they can all be joined together with the bridge and the tunnel, which come around the lake. So it's all just a big special thing. Before November 2013, we will have completed the pit lane precinct, which will include 30 garages and a control tower and medical centre and what have you. So that's going to start end of April and be finished by November 2013. So that's the final bit of the racetrack that will be done. And if there's a call for it, I wouldn't mind putting a rally track through the forest as a last thing, and then it's over after that. That's it, done and dusted.